Hal of Hal and Steve English here, and today I want to talk about a conversation lesson, immersive travel. So if you want to study, you're a student, just come by our school here in Dongdaecheon in Jihang. If you're a teacher, you can show this as a preview of the conversation class. So the vocabulary for today's topic, I made immerse, and we're going to talk about different types of immersing yourself, surround oneself with, and the example there is going to be in Iceland, and take a dip, and we're going to talk about Costa Rica in that case, and example, and zone out for Mexico, and also have soak in, and the example there is in Singapore. But let's do our warm-up question, our table topic. And our table topic today is, what's the most immersive experience you've had? So in my case, by far the most immersive experience I've had. And immersive, by the way, immersive means to become completely involved in something, almost as if you're surrounded, submerged in it. So my most immersive experience would be scuba diving. And I can say that confidently because, you know, when they train astronauts to go into space, they train them in these kind of elaborate tanks of water, because one of the closest feelings you can have to space is in water. The feeling of weightlessness when you scuba dive is quite similar to the feeling you have in space of being weightless. So it's pretty immersive. So I went scuba diving in Florida. I went about 100 feet down, and I was completely immersed in that experience. I was separated from the feeling of my own body, from colors. Colors disappear gradually the deeper you get, so colors weren't a matter. Sound was kind of, everything felt distant, and it's just super immersive. You really focus on the experience itself. So if you want to try a very immersive experience, I recommend scuba diving. How about you guys? What's the most immersive experience you've had? And I also have a hypothetical table topic I include, and that is, if you're hired to give an immersive tour to a tourist visiting your country, what would your tour be like? My tour would be a road trip. That is driving around the US and being completely spontaneous, stopping anywhere, doing anything. That's something I miss here in Korea. I don't get to do many road trips. The US is so big and so diverse. You need to do a road trip. And that would be a really immersive tour. Okay, guys. If you want to download this lesson, it's in the description below, and I'll see you next time.